Hello guys, my name is Luca from AudioTribe YouTube channel, and in this video I will make an unboxing of the new JBL Charge 6. So this was just released and I think this will be an amazing speaker. So the JBL Charge 6 cost me around $200, so it is a little bit more expensive than the old JBL Charge 5, but I think this will worth the money. Of course, at the end of this video we will make a sound test with it to see how it will sound, but first let's see what we have in the box. So this is the box. We see here that it has 28 hours of playing time, but these are 24 hours with an extra 4 hours of playing time if you use the speaker without the bass. And we will see on the back that it has IP68, that means it is waterproof and dust proof, and even I think this is drop proof. Of course you can charge your phone with it, but let's see how the speaker will look. Play and charge endlessly. So inside of the box we have a small box that inside has the strap. As you see here, JBL Charge 6, because similar with the new JBL Extreme 4, the new JBL Charge 6 has a strap for easy carry. What is this? Okay, so this is the strap, and of course in the box we have some manuals that no one reads. So I really like the color of the strap. It's branded with JBL. And now let's see the speaker. Okay, so from the front it looks similar with the JBL Extreme 4. It has these two places where you can put your strap, just like this. So this is the strap. It can be put very easily, but I don't know if I will use it. Of course, this is the plus and minus volume button, the play and pause, the AudioTribe multi-connection button, the on and off, and the Bluetooth pairing button. Of course, on the back we see here that it says it is Charge 6. We don't see a place where you can remove the battery. Here we can see when the speaker it is powered on, we can see the level of the battery, and these are the passive radiators. Let's turn it on. It has the old sound from JBL. So let's connect the speaker. We see here that already is the JBL Flip 7 and now JBL Charge 6. Okay, associate, and now just go to the JBL Portable app, because this is the app when you want to use the JBL speaker. Let's see if it will find the new JBL Charge 6, because the new JBL Flip 7 I didn't find it in the app. So let's go to the JBL Charge, and as you see here, it doesn't you cannot connect you cannot use this speaker now. Tap to connect JBL Charge 6 and it is out of the app, so you cannot connect it to the JBL Portable app yet. Probably in a few days we can connect it, but now you cannot connect it. JBL Charge, JBL Charge 6. No. Okay, now let's play the song. This is loud.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. I gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bro. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Same us for the way up, play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. I gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top,
I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me. But they hate from inside, you see, hate themselves in society. So I let them speak quietly while my actions speak quiet. See, they be privacy with the screen, oh the irony. To hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts feel quick.
And that was the sound test with the JBL Charge 6. I am amazed by the power of this speaker. It really sounds good, and compared to the JBL Flip 7, that I do not recommend you to buy it because the bass, it is just not that strong. The JBL Charge 6 has a good bass, it is very loud. It is definitely very loud. I can definitely say that it is louder than the old JBL Charge 5. I will do a cross comparison review between the JBL Charge 6 and the 5, but I can definitely tell you that it sounds better. The bass, it is very pronounced, and I really love how it looks. I don't know if I will use the strap, and yeah, so for $40 more I will definitely buy the JBL Charge 6, and I will not buy the JBL Flip 7. So this is the video. Please tell me in the comments, what do you think about this speaker? Should you buy it or not? Is this an upgrade of the old JBL Charge 5 or not? It is very interesting, and I really love the design. And yeah, it has the Auracast multi-connection button. That means a lot. So feel free to subscribe to AudioTribe YouTube channel, and please hit that like button. Cheers!